everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Guy from Free Guy. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Free Guy, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then we're going to leave some space, and we're going to make another circle for an eye right over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to put a little black dot inside each eye for the pupil. Next, for the nose, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're just going to curve it back. For the mouth, we're just going to draw a little line across. Then we'll draw a line that's going to go down and come up here. We'll draw a little line across for the tongue. And then we're just going to color this part in. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. And then it's going to come right back up here. Then we're going to make a line that comes across. We're going to put a couple little points here, and then just bring it down. Starting here, we're going to add a little half of an oval shape for an ear. And then we're going to do another one right over here. Now for the hair, I'm just going to draw a line that comes up. When I get to here, I'm going to put a couple little points on it as it comes back, and then I'm going to bring it down to here. Then I'm going to add two little curved lines above here for the eyebrows. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to go over, and then come up for the neck. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and up, and another one's going to go down and then up here for the collar of his shirt. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, it's going to go over, and then I'm going to bring it back up here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, it's going to go over, and then back up. Now, starting here, we're going to make the legs. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and I'll make another line that's going to come down here. I'm going to make a little line across, and I'm going to draw a line down. Then we're just going to draw a line across here to connect it. Right here, we'll make a line that goes out. That's going to come back and go up here. And I'll make another line that's just going to go down and then come up here for the feet. We'll draw a line across here, and then a line across here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes down. Then we're going to come over here for his arm. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, it's going to come down, and then over here. Now we're going to leave some space, and I'm going to make a couple little circle shapes for his fingers. I'll just put about 3 in here since we're making this kind of cartoony. Then I'm going to make a line that goes up, over, and then down. We'll do one here, we'll go down, over, and then up. Next we'll make a little curved line right across the top. And a little line that goes up, over, and then down for his little coffee cup. We'll make a little line that curves up. And then a little line that goes over to here. I'll draw a little line down for his sleeve of the shirt. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a long, kind of skinny oval shape. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve right to here. I'm going to make a small oval shape here, and then another little line right here, so it looks like he's holding a fishbowl. Then I'll put a couple little bumps underneath here. And then we're just going to draw 2 lines down here. Right across here, we're going to make a little line for the belt with 2 little lines. Then right here, we'll make a little line that curves down and up. Then we're going to make a line that comes down on each side for the tie. And then a line that goes down and up like a V shape. And then we'll just make a couple little diagonal lines across here. We'll make a little rectangle shape over here for his name tag. And then right inside of here, we'll make a little wavy line across there for the bottom of the fishbowl. And then we'll make the fish. Let's make kind of like a little oval shape. We'll make like a moon shape for the tail. A couple little bumps for the lip. And then a little fin on the top and bottom. We'll put a little eye and a little curved line for his gills. And there you go. There is your drawing of Guy from Free Guy. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.